Tired of platforms that limit your potential with restrictive features and lack of flexibility? What if you could tailor a platform to perfectly match your business goals and creative vision? Welcome to FairPlayTube, the open-source video platform that puts you in control. FairPlayTube is fully customizable, allowing you to adapt every aspect to your unique business needs. Want to change the design, add new features, or even integrate your existing systems? With FairPlayTube, you can. Plus, FairPlayTube comes with powerful built-in tools for creators. Design stunning thumbnails, generate effective digital marketing ideas, create eye-catching infographics, brainstorm new passive income strategies, and craft compelling LinkedIn articles. And it doesn't stop there. You can even host FairPlayTube yourself, giving you total freedom and ownership. With FairPlayTube, you're not just a user, you're the architect of your own success. Customize, host, and grow your business on your terms. Take control of your video platform. Join FairPlayTube today and start creating a solution that's truly yours.